What is up, everybody? I am that programming guy, and fuck, I messed that up, didn't I? Hello, everybody, this is that programming guy, and remember, you guys can do the thing no matter what you're doing, no matter what's going on. I believe you guys can get it done. So how are you all guys doing today? You can hear my dog scratching stuff in the background. How are you all doing today? Today is Saturday, and you know what that day means. That means it's Haskell today. Haskell. So where we left off last weekend, or last episode, was I was trying to get the set syntax to work, and I was failing at it quite hard, which is fine. I was trying to make it better for myself. I was trying to understand. I'm still trying to understand making all the types work. So, I was looking at examples that were kind of helping, but didn't help me that much, I guess. What else? So also you can see we got the hack font working, so that's helping. Gesundheit, Lucy. I'll give you a haircut. So yeah, that's kind of just where we are right now. We're trying to make this whole entire thing work, because this needs to return an updated maze. That's what this needs to return. I should have gotten Numidimos's Gist up here. Oh well. So I guess we'll start with a stack GHCI. Gonna mess with it for a little bit. Hold on. Alright, so we have import control.lens. We have a maze, which is yeah, so what did I use? What did I call it? Maze equals type cell. We need a cell. Can I do this? Will this work, or will this be like you're horrible and I hate you? Yes, it'll just be like you're horrible and I hate you, which is fine. So, that's fine. How to make French toast. So, right, maze and ix5 blah blah. This is update. Maybe I can find it. Nope. That's fine. Or is it the other way around? Yeah, it's... Oopsies, you weren't supposed to see that. I don't know, we're just gonna try things, see what's going on. We'll see if this works or not. Probably it won't, that's fine. Because this really doesn't help me at all. Because I know it means over. Haskell. You're not helping. You're not helping. You're not helping. See, you know what would be great? Like, you had the lens and I was like, here's how to update. Here's how to do this. Here's how to do this. Here's how to do this. Not... It's so annoying. So how do I update? This is what I thought. So really, if I could just do this, right? Edit. And then line operations. Split join lines. There we go. There we go. And then do that. And then if we go to maze, do that. Awesome. And then we have We're going to make a maze, so number of cells is number of cells is, where are you? There we go. There we go. We got that going. So now we can do this. Main. I love having a mouse that actually works. So the mouse on my computer is actually really interesting. The mouse on my computer is so broken. It's like sometimes it double clicks, sometimes you have to click it in a certain location for it to work. Oh, it's a bad mouse. Alright, so now we have this. So now, if we do this, magical type cell.cell with cell.cell with actual type cell.cell. Wait. Where's make fresh cell? That's in here. So this doesn't work either. Cell is applied to too many arguments. No, this makes sense, right? No, alright, that failed. Interesting. Okay, what's going on then? Alright, so if I just do this, right? If I go to no, there we go. Parse error. Cool. I guess we'll start here then, I guess? I don't know. Yeah, no. Oh, hey, look at this. No, doesn't really help at all. Why is it so different? See this. So yeah, the example I was looking at did I don't know anymore. So what if I just do this? What if I do this? Maze, no, empty, empty, cells, and ix of 5. Couldn't match type a list of cell.cell with, oh my god, this is so confusing, guys. A list of cell.cell. Okay, interesting. Alright, fine, then we're gonna do it this way then. 1 second. Stop itching! Even though you're not doing it that bad. Okay, so we have and. I know we were doing it this last time as well. And takes a function that converts a to b and returns b, right? Pretty simple. So it converts it's a to b, and so basically if you want to go, we can do this. Let's show 5 plus 1, right? We could also go something that I totally forgot. So if we do this, right? If we do show this, right? This fails. 5 plus 1. Yeah, that goes. No instance of num string and rice with this plus. It makes no sense. So we could go 5 and plus 1. Yeah, that works. Okay, so basically 5 and plus 1 and show. So that, I think that changes the precedence, right? Oh my god. Haskell, why you like this? Haskell. Unless that's a thing. Where does this come from anyway? Yeah, data.function, that's where it comes from. And operators, and as a reverse application operator. This provides notation convenience. Oh, right. It basically from left to right, it's right to left. That's what it is. That's basically what it is. So instead of left to right, it's right to left. So now we would have oopsies, type of IX, which basically allows us to get the index of where we need it. So if I had IX, right, I would need a control.lens.index, which is that, and take a function and then the value. So I'm thinking if I wanted to go what? Empty IX5. How do I retrieve something? There was something in it that actually told me like how to retrieve something. Yes. Caret question mark IX4. Okay. So if I empty cells caret question mark there we go. Just false, false, false. Okay, so that works, right? So, cool. Allows traversing the element at a specified list index. So now we get the index, right? So now I got that. Can we do this? S getting defining okay, that's weird. Did I do type or information? What if I do type? What happens with the type? I don't really ever have to use carets. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, so we have this. Okay, so now I'm kind of confused. Like, where are infix notations put? So if we have this, right, caret question mark, which is an infix notation, and we have empty cells caret question mark IX4. Okay, and then we have this question mark S takes an S, takes a getting, which is a function, probably a data dot monoid dot first a s a, and returns a maybe a. So I'm thinking that the question mark thing, or I don't know what this operation is called, goes between S and the getting. I think that's what it is. So S is whatever the hell it is. Okay, so that's where it gets put in between there. That's good to know. So now we have this. We have 0, dosh, 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 dosh. Oh, God, guys, I'm tired, even though I've had coffee. Dosh, dosh. I want to do dash, and fuck, I can't write it today. I hope you're all enjoying this, guys. Like, I don't know, I started this over a year ago because I wanted to show people that learning this is hard. It's like, if I'm a Microsoft employee and I work at Microsoft, like, it's hard, and that's okay. Haskell is really hard to learn. Unless you can magically get it there. I mean, there are people in this world who can magically just understand this. And that's fine. You know? That's fine. Like, I was in my computer class, CSS 341, 342. You know, we had a kid who raised his hand and was like, why does everyone find this so hard? I find this so easy. And for him, it was easy. And that's how it is. Like, for some people, coding is extremely easy for them, which is fine. You know? Am I muted? I don't think I'm muted, am I? No, I'm not muted. Okay, cool, wonderful. Alright, so we have this. Now I want to break this down and not use and, which I think we'd have to do ix dot this to, and then 0, 5? 0 dot dot 5? Question mark? So if I do this, if I do 0 dot dot 5 and ix 4 2. That needs to be a dot. 0 1 2 3 2 5. So that's a replace. Wait, what? What happens if I use %? Oh, we get an error. Oh. Was I using the wrong one? Takes an A setter, takes a stab, and B, S, and T. That doesn't tell me anything. Oh, God, you're a fucking dumbass. At provides a lens. You know, it would be great if you could tell me just what it's for instead of having me, like, read it. This is not helpful at all. Control.lens tutorial. Lenses. I have nothing else to I have one other thing I can throw with my dog. Okay, that's good. Missed. You need to stop itching, Lucy. Hold on. Lucy! Hey! You need to stop that, okay? You need to stop itching. Itching is not for Lucy's. Lucy's don't itch, okay? Don't itch. What did I just say? Stop that! No! Dog? No, puppy, you don't understand. Okay. Because I know I found something that told me what all these were for. So, setters. Folds. getters? Just tell me how to use the damn shit. That's all I need to know is how to use these. Why is this so hard? Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Oh my god. This is so stupid. I just need to know what they are. Why is this so hard? No. Indexing? Does this have it? What was it? I don't know. No. Do you have it? No. Do you have it? Yeah, I found it! Why the fuck was this so hard? Replaces the target of a lens or all of the targets of a setter or traversal with a constant value. This is an infix version of set, provided for consistency. Okay, the hell? Why is this so hard? Okay, guys, Haskell people, if you're watching this, when you're writing a fucking tutorial, go, here's how to use this damn thing. Don't go complicated. Just go, here's how to use it. If you want to update shit, do this. If you want to delete shit, do this. If you want to get shit, do this. That's what you do. Replaces the target of a lens of a target. So this replaces the target of a lens. This is an infix version of set. So if I wanted to do this, but with set, would I have to do this? Set 0.5 and ix for set 2? No. As a stab is a, okay, so set takes an A setter, which I have no idea what that is. STAB, which I still don't know what that means. A B and an S, and returns a T. Type. It gives me the same thing, thank you. So I'm guessing, so if I do this, ba-ba, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do, ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-bam, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do, nope, that does not work. So we have the maze, we have the and we have the ix of 4. So if I do type of 0.5 and ix, probably add a 0 here. Let's make this up a little bit, shall we? So I'm not breaking my neck. Okay, so we have set. We have the setter. We have the B and the F, S, and we have the T. So we have 0.5. We have the IX 4. We have the dot 2. Well, this is set, right? So we have the 2. We have the setter, we have the B, and we have the S, and we have the T. This returns an applicative, oh my god, control.lens.index. That's fine. This is with the index applied already. Can I just look at how to use set? Set blah the list replaces a target of a lens or all targets of a set or traversal with a constant value. Set something the list. Oh, this is the index. So set IX4. No, IX. What's the example? So if I do nope, go back to where I was. Where was I? There we go. Ah, fuck. My example went away. This. There's a 4 right there. Okay, cool. So if I have set so that's the index. So if you have set IX4 0.5 and what we want to replace it with, damn it. Kinematics picked up m.o with identity. Okay. Cool. So that's saying, here's what we have. Oh, that's what we start with and what we want to replace with. So set IX4 to fuck. I got it. I got it. Yeah. All right, so this set IX4 to 0.5 is equivalent to 0.5 and IX4 dot blah 2. Okay, so all right, so now if you go to type of the set, set 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So basically the IX4 is equal to the A setter of S, T, A, and B. 2 is equal to the B, and 0.5 is equal to the S, and we return a T. And I have no idea what any of this means, by the way. This is still like, I don't know what S, T, A, and B and S is. I don't know what this is at all, but we're getting there. So if you look at an A setter, S, T, A, and B Type A setter takes a function that takes an A and identity B and an S and turns an identity of T. Running a setter instantiates to a concrete type when consuming a setter directly. Okay, you're stupid. Alright guys, so it's bit of some shameless advertising here. Are you ready for this? I'm selling shirts, and I would love for you to buy one because it supports me and it supports the stream. The more shirts I get, the more I'll stream because I'll be able to actually make a living wage off it. So these shirts are really fucking awesome, guys. I want to show you them. They're great. I'm going to www.thatprogrammingguy.com. Click on this wonderful picture right here. You can get a shirt, either a female or male shirt, from sizes I think extra small to 3X large with my own logo on them. That says, remember, you can do the thing. It's a great shirt, and I guarantee you will love it, and everybody who sees your shirt will also love it and want one as well. Additionally, let's say you don't want to support me. Let's say you fucking hate my guts. Then why are you watching this in the first place? Well, one is, guys, this is what it looks like. It's fucking cool. If you buy a shirt and put it on, please send me a picture so I can add it to here. But anyway, if you hate my guts and you don't want to support me, but you still want a shirt, here's another reason why to buy one. If you want to stand out in your interview, no matter what interview you're going to, if you want to stand out and you want to make sure everyone remembers who you are, wear this shirt. I guarantee you will not be forgotten if you wear this shirt. I guarantee it. No one will forget who you are if you wear this shirt. So yeah, guys, if you want to support the stream, if you want to support me, besides giving me a follow, besides giving me a thumbs up or thumbs down, besides giving me a subscription on YouTube, guys, just, you know, buy a shirt. It's $40. I know it's a tad bit expensive, but I do use premium quality cotton with this because I want these shirts to last and feel good. So, you know, if you want to support me in the stream, go ahead. Additionally, let's say you don't want a shirt. You know, let's say that's a tad bit too expensive. I also do coaching for programming. So, you know, if you have a question, it's like, hey, why won't this compile? If you need help with your coursework, algorithms, data structures, networking, sockets, DVD rental store project. I don't know, if you're trying to make your own project and you just need some help or something, I'm totally available, guys. Send me an email at darren.hoehna@thatprogrammingguy.com. So it's DARREN.HOEHNA @thatprogrammingguy.com. I should actually have an email me on this. That would actually be a really good idea. I should also get rid of the sign-in thing. But yeah, here we go. So, yeah, guys, you know, if you want some help with programming, if you need some help, you know, this is all online. Email me. We can set up a time. It's $60 per hour. Right now, I don't have any deals where if you buy multiple hours, you get one free, or if they're cheaper. So yeah, you know, if you need some help with, I appreciate you. You are appreciated. Thank you for the follow. But yeah, if you guys need some help, something going on with coding, send me an email and we can totally set something up, and I can help you for an hour. I work at Microsoft. I've done things from C++, done a bit of C. I've done things all the way up to big data computing with Spark and Scala, where I'm dealing with like a terabyte of information. I've done databases. I've done C#. You can do in Haskell. I've done a bit of JavaScript. Like, I can help you with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I can help you with logic and figuring things out. But that's about it. So yeah, guys, that's my shameless advertising for this episode. So if you want a shirt, totally buy a shirt to help support me. Otherwise, you can also contact me at darren.hoehna@thatprogrammingguy.com just for some coaching for an hour. All right, let's get back to work, shall we? All right, so we found exactly how to use set. So now we're trying to figure out what the hell all this is. So an A setter uses a stab. So the A setter has to be, and I don't know what the A setter has to be, but running a setter instantiate, and what's a setter? A setter stab for all f dot settable f a. Oh my god, the only lens-like law that can apply to a setter L. Yeah, lenses. I need to update a list, and wasn't doing it very well. I didn't know how to update it. Now I know. It's basically you have to have a function that takes the list, that takes what index you want updated at the updated value, and then it returns a new list because you don't have any state in Haskell. And so one of my awesome followers and viewers, Numa Demos, was like, yo, here's a gist of actually how to use the lenses. So the lens that I was working on wasn't working. So now I'm going more in depth to figure out why what I'm trying to work on isn't working. So replaces the target of a lens, and this is modifies the target of a lens or all targets with the user's applied function. Oh, this is with a function. Oh. Interesting. So it takes a function instead of a value. Oh, that's what it is. I get it. I get it. So that means... Okay, so hold on. I have two things going on here. You have set ix4 2 0 through 5 equals this. So can I do this without the and? Which I believe I can. So if I go... Oh, no, can I do that, though? Yeah, so this is where set goes. So this is where set is. That's where set goes right here. That's really interesting. 1 second. Lucy! Hey! Stop. No. Scratching is bad. Stop it. Dog. All right. So we got that going, right? So it means the set is really interesting. Okay, I'm gonna rip this page out so I can refer to it later. That's actually for indexes. You probably can do the string-like thing. Oh my god, I can't read. Hold on. X and at 3 dot. Yes. Yes, that is true. I could probably do that. I just discovered that now. But I also have a function, which I believe I need to use the % tilde for. So I'm just learning this because I basically followed what somebody did and it stopped working. I'm like, all right. So additionally, the other question is like, you know, if you have, anyway, so that means set goes where that is. Oh, I see. Everything just kind of reversed. So if we write this, right, if we go, yes, but telling me it means over doesn't mean anything to me. I don't know what over means. I do know that it means over, but I don't know what over is. I can go to it and it'll tell me. But yes, I do know that, but what over means, it was like, I don't know what over means. Set. If we have ix4 2 0 dot dot 5. It gets the old value put with yes. And then if we have 0 dot dot 5 ampersand ix4 2. Okay, so basically almost everything was moved over. So could I do that? Could I do... No, I did that. So could I do this? ix4 No, I can't do that. Oh, because I did it wrong. No, okay, that doesn't work either. Yes, gets the old value play with yes. So from what I've read is the dot tilde replaces with a value and the % tilde modifies, but you give it a function. That did not work. Why did that not work? Unless it's... No, that's fine. Whatever. So and replaces everything, and I thought that's what it would just reverse the two, but that's not how it works, which is fine. Either way, I did get it to work. So now, if I wanted to do this instead, if I wanted to use this, I would use over ix4 plus 1, 0 dot dot 5. That would return 0, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It would return 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5? Is that how it would work? Over ix4 plus 1, 0 dot dot 5. Yes! I got it. I'm so excited. All right. Yay! I'm fucking awesome, guys. I figured it out, kind of. So now if I wanted to use the percent sign, it would be 0 dot dot 5 and ix4 percent sign tilde plus 1. All right, we got this, guys. We are making forward progress. I'm so excited. Razor, please don't fall asleep. You're my chat window. So now, what I want to do is I want to go with my list of empty cells. Get the index at ix index and modify it with a value. So I think I just need this one. So we have still empty cells, right? We still have empty cells. So if I take empty cells and ix at 1, how did I do it? Oh, I need to put a cell there. Okay. Yes. Did I just spell it wrong? Nope. Well, that doesn't work either. Now, but I had it right. Okay. Oh, I get it. This is... quit. Let's get out of... Oh, whatever. It's downloaded here now. That's fine. Oh, I done fucked up. I guess we'll have to wait for this to download. And then we'll see how this goes. Because basically I want to get out of the ambiguity. So I want to get out of where I was doing all this wonderful stuff. I want to get out of the ambiguity. Of the, oh hey, there's 2 cells defined. Well, I'm glad I have a fancy computer that can make this faster than who knows on my Windows 7 machine. My like 8 to 4-year-old Windows 7 computer that finally died on me. Oh god, that was fun. No. Oh, I was in Prelude. Okay. Nope. Alright, fuck this shit. I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna go back. I don't want to deal with this. What do you mean you don't see Windows often? Windows is a great development environment. Like, it's so annoying when people bash on Windows. It's like, it works. Like, Microsoft is doing a thing where they talk to people who did Linux or Microsoft, and they're like, Windows never works. I'm like, Windows works just fine. Like, it's a fine development environment. You know, I don't know what's wrong with Windows. It works. Yeah, I use Windows because I've used Windows all the time. What do you use? That's fine. Cool. So I have that defined. Nixos? What the fuck is Nixos? And what do you mean nothing works? Oh, NixOS. What do you mean nothing works? This works just fine. Just go to main. Right, I need to, oh no, I have all of that. I can just do this. It's already imported because I'm a dumbass. Cool. So now if I do this again, right? You download a binary and then won't be able to find libc. What is libc? Like the C library? Is that what you mean? Okay, well, is it really fault of Windows particular, or is it because it was made for a different operating system and you move it over to Windows? Like, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to argue with you. I'm just really tired of the people who come from, like, Linux or Mac and, like, Windows fucking sucks. Sure. And I bet I can go on to Linux and have plenty of problems as well, because I'm with Windows. But, I mean, yeah, stuff won't be found. You find it yourself. And that is true, though. I have ran into things where I write a program. You can talk about Windows. But I've gotten things where I've written a program, or I run a program, and it goes, hey, you need to download the .NET framework. And then I download the .NET framework, and I still get an error. That is true. I do have those problems as well. There have been times where I've been like, why doesn't this work? That is very correct. I have had that. And it's been annoying, yes. But then I make it work. Of course, at the same time, though, if somebody's coming from Linux or Mac, they get that error and is like, well, fuck Windows. That is true. If they're not used to those errors, then come to Windows. That is true. It might not work. But usually it does. And it's good enough. So why NixOS? Did you try other flavors of Unix? Did you ever try Linux distributions? What is so great about Nix? I'm not arguing with him. I'm just wondering why. Because I said I don't use Linux. So why that one? Did you try other ones before? So now we have empty cells. Oh my god, if I ever had the free time on my hands, I would make a Gen 2. I would set up Gen 2 so much just to try it, because I'd love to try it. But I haven't. I'd like to try it. And Nixos sucks. Oh, that is a fantastic answer. I love that answer. NixOS sucks slightly less. Oh, I love it. That's so great. Oh, my bad. I need to do that. Damn it! Non-incapacitated has no neighbor imported some. Did I spell it wrong? I did spell it wrong. Oh. Oh, that's... Do I need a special thing? Oh, I do need a special thing, don't I? Oh, I do need a special thing, don't I? It's not called preprocessor, I know that. What's the word I'm looking for? It's where you do the pound tilde thingies. Come on. Give me to your guests. Should have opened there. This is what I'm looking for. Let's not do it in Firefox. In Chrome. There we go. This thing! I don't know. We'll see. Will this work if I do this? Or do I have to put it at the top? There? No? Is that where I actually have to put it or no? We'll see. Okay, so let's get out of there. Cool. No. All right, that still didn't work. Variable non-scope empty cells. Oh, because I'm a dumbass. That one. Warning, missing fields. Fields of cell not initialized. Has south neighbor house. That is true. It's an empty cell. And second argument of that. Okay, so what if I do this? No. Couldn't match. Yeah, so it's couldn't match pick type cell to cell with extra type cell. Because that just returns a cell, so it's not a function. And because it's not a function, I think we need to use this one. Wait, did you work? Missing field in record construction has south neighbor. Oh, so do I need to... Right, because I replace it with the value. Okay, right, because the dot tilde is a value, so I need this whole entire thing with the concrete thing. But with this... Okay. Couldn't match expect type cell. However, an interesting thing is on Windows 7, the command prompt can't recognize all the color stuff here. It's really interesting. So the errors you get in the Windows 7 command prompt are just crazy. And that's, I guess, another thing where Windows sucks. Is in Windows 7, it can't do all this. So the error messages you get in Windows 7 is full of, like, gibberish. It's quite interesting. Okay. So that means I need a function. Replace target lens with a constant value. But mine doesn't work because the value I give it, everything else is uninitialized. Modifies the target with a function. So this takes A to B, and if I do... I get a warning. Oh, what's the function I'm looking for? Just empty cell? Make fresh cell, that's what it is. Huzzah! It works. So, it means if I do this... Bullshit. Bastard! Thought it would work. Okay. So, why did it work before? Make fresh cell, how's the neighbor returns a cell. Oh, right, it's the same thing where I got in before. Where it's not a fucking A, man. So 2 length, 1 hello. With the length, okay, I get that. Interesting. Okay. Modifies the target. This is an infix version of over. Do you give me maybe different things? Over LF dot over mapped. Oh my god. Over mapped just A. So we're saying another way to view is that it transforms a sentence to semantic editor combination. Yay, confusing English. I love it. Map, multiply everything by 10 over that. Over mapped. Over pick 1 F. Okay, yeah, I get that. I get it. Oh, I can do this. Over the index 4 to empty cells. I can do that, actually. I can do that. All right. All right. All right. I got this shit. So if can I change this to, I could. I can go over ix4 plus 1 0 dot dot 5. That works. So I can do over index. I'm just going to do ix1. And this will be this is with a function. True. And then empty cells. That's going to fill with the same exact thing. So I got that. It fills with the same. So I got the syntax. It could fill with the same thing. So if I do if I do a set, then it gives me the error of, hey, these things aren't an. Oh, really? Oh. That wasn't supposed to work. So empty cells with and ix0 dot that, and then we have a oh. Do I need this? No, I don't. It works. Cool. Then I guess we'll just write this down really quickly. Maze dot ix of. We need to get the index. With a set of. We have our cell as new SIP equals true. Okay, we're gonna leave this here, guys. All right, so I'm gonna end the stream here today, guys. What did we get done today? We went over the sets. We went over the over, and we basically kind of mapped the infix notation to the non-infix notation. So we mapped, you know, the dot tilde to set and the percent sign tilde to over. Figured that out. We got a new follower, which is fucking awesome. Did some shameless advertising of my shirts and my services, which is great. Talked about Windows and how there are problems. Talked about Linux and that how the NixS sucks slightly less than Gen 2. So yeah, we made a good, actually, I think we actually made a good amount of progress today. We got this going, we made it work, kind of, hopefully. So next, slightly less. Just slightly, okay. So why, if it sucks slightly less, then why not just use like a Linux distribution that sucks much less than Gen 2? Anyway, so we got that going, it's great. So next week, or next episode, what you guys can expect is, we'll kind of continue with line 33, see if we can get this to work. Really? Okay. Interesting. Well, I mean, I wouldn't know. I've never gone into the world of Linux, because I've just always been on Windows. So yeah, so, tomorrow I will be streaming at 11 o'clock. Fuck is local Optima? I have no idea what you mean by that. I'm so sorry. Like, I know what it means in algorithms. So yeah, so I will be streaming tomorrow from 11. Yes. Yeah, local Optima, yeah. It's just an algorithm problem, though. Optimize continues to make possible employee calculus to find the local optimum of the first. Yeah, I know. Yeah, first derivative. Totally get that. Interesting. Yeah, no, like, I don't know if you could send me a message more with that, because local optimum is like finding a local optimum. I don't know how it applies to, if an OS is a solution. If an OS is a solution to, if, oh, like a solution to, like, if an, so you're saying if an OS is a solution to, like, a local Optima problem? I never thought of applying operating systems that way, unless I'm wrong, which I might be. I tend to be wrong about a lot of things. When I stream, guys, tomorrow, I will actually be streaming for a full entire hour tomorrow, because Fortnite Chapter 2 will have been released for a week. I can't believe Fortnite Chapter 2 crashed Twitch. So tomorrow, I will be working on, the serverless stack tutorial with Azure. So guys, if you're on YouTube, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. Give me a thumbs down if you hate what you see. In any case, give me a subscription and leave me a comment, because I'd love talking to my viewers. If you're on Twitch watching VOD, go ahead and give me a follow. That would be fucking awesome. Otherwise, if you're on Twitch, you can see me tomorrow at 11 a.m. where I'll be streaming some serverless stack. And this will be on YouTube. Anyway, everyone, thank you, lurkers who are lurking. Thank you so very much for lurking. Watchers who are watching, thank you so very much for watching. Bots who are botting, thank you so very much for botting. I love you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all either next week or tomorrow. Bye.